Let's take a quick look at Fujifilm X Acquire Studio and see if it's of any use to you. Once you've downloaded the software, of course, you're going to need your Fuji. We've got an X-T2. There's a whole list of compatible cameras that you can use it with, so check that out if you're not using a T2, T20, etc. You're going to need a nice long cable to go from your camera to your computer. You're going to need your computer, hard drive space, and frankly, this software is actually pretty basic, considering it doesn't allow you to live view, but as soon as you've took the shot, it will land in the folder that you've specified, and it's pretty quick. Let's connect it and see. Before you do that, go into your menu and just go to connection setting and set the PC connection mode to USB tether shooting auto. Now there's another feature to this software which we'll look at in another brief video, but for now just set it that way. If you look at the top, your little icon, you can specify your destination folder, which I've already done, so that's open, good to go. Your preferences, you can use USB as I've shown you, or network, so you can do it over Wi-Fi, which might be handy to you. Click over into file type and you can specify which file formats will be transferred to your PC or Mac. It's doing what the camera's asking. Specify file formats to be saved onto the memory card. So some of your cameras support simultaneous recording. For now, I'm happy as it is. Show window, and if you see now, it shows us the camera body that's attached, the shutter speed it currently wants, the f-stop I've set it to, the ISO I've set it to, exposure compensator that I've set it to, which currently I haven't changed, and the white balance. All the settings you change in the camera as if you're shooting anywhere, out in a street, studio, whatever. You can't do it via this, which is a big shame. A real live control system would have been nicer, but sometimes simple is best. So what we do then, we take the shot, and I've got the thing lined up here, and we've got an original Incredible Hulk, and we take the shot, and in no time at all, that file has made its way, JPEG and RAW, onto the system, and there it is. Let's just move this bar out of the way, and we've got it right there. Very quick, good to go, absolutely no problems. Dead simple. There's nothing really to it. Your control bar, your file goes straight to your computer. This is actually pretty good if you're using a studio setting and you just want to have it go straight to your computer, straight to your hard drive. That's what tethering is all about, really. Frankly, it's not an Incredible Hulk of a software. It does what it tries to do very easily, but it also does something else, and that's back up and restore your settings, and we're going to look at that in another video.